there's not much to do.
Hi, my name is Mariano and I'm going to talk about macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are nutrients that the body uses in relatively large amount and therefore needs to receive daily. There are three macronutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Carbohydrates are the sugars, starches, and fibers found in fruits, grains, vegetables, and milk products, though often malignant in trendy diets. Carbohydrates, one of the basic food groups, are important to a healthy diet. Proteins are large biomolecules or macromolecules that are comprised of one or more long chains of amino acid residues. Proteins perform a vast array of functions within organisms, including catalyzing metabolic reactions, DNA replication, responding to stimuli, providing structure to cells and organisms, and transporting molecules from one location to another. And fats in nutrition, biology, and chemistry, it usually means any ester of fatty acids or a mixture of such compounds, most commonly those that occur in living beings or in food. And macronutrients are essential elements required by organisms in varying quantities throughout life to orchestrate a range of philosophical functions to maintain health. Micronutrient requirements differ between organisms. For example, humans and other animals require numerous vitamins and dietary minerals, whereas plants require specific minerals. For human nutrition, macronutrient requirements are in amounts generally less than 100 milligrams per day, whereas micronutrients are required in gram quantities daily.
Well, hi, I am Jimena and I am going to talk about proteins. Proteins are an important class of molecule found in all living cells. A protein is made of one or more long chains of amino acids. Can be found in fish, meat, chicken, eggs, milk, Greek yogurt, almonds, cheese, etc. They are mainly from the formation or repair of muscles, bones, or other tissues. Some proteins work as enzymes that facilitate chemical reaction in the body. Others function as transporters that carry nutrients as such as lipids.
Now we are going to talk about fats. They are very important for us since they represent 35% of our energy. And despite the very bad image many people have of them, there are good fats. The good fats are those that have a natural origin and help us take care of our circulatory system. They are divided into mono and polyunsaturated fats according to the saturation. This means the amount of hydrogen they have. Monounsaturated fats will have a liquid consistence, while polyunsaturated will have a solid one. But now let's talk about the bad fats. These are saturated and trans fats, which have much more hydrogen and can cause many problems. They are also the main source of bad cholesterol and the ones that lower the good cholesterol. These fats can block arteries, increase bad cholesterol, as I have said, or even increase the risk of suffering cardiovascular disease.
I'm going to talk about carbohydrates. It is important to know that per 1 gram of carbohydrate there are 4 calories, and this is energy for our body and system. Carbohydrates provide fuel for the central nervous system and energy for working muscles. They also prevent protein from being used as energy source and enable fat metabolism. And there exist two types of carbohydrates: simple and complex. Simple ones contain just one or two sugars, such as fructose, found in fruits, and galactose, found in milk products. Carbs with two sugars, such as sucrose and lactose, and maltose, found in beer and some vegetables. Simple carbs are also in candy, soda, and syrups. However, these foods are made with processed and refined sugars and do not have vitamins, minerals, or fiber, and they are called empty calories. The complex ones have three or more sugars. They are often referred to as stretchy foods and include beans, peas, lentils, peanuts, potatoes, corn, barns beans, whole grain breads, and cereals. All carbohydrates function as relatively quick energy sources. Simple carbohydrates cause bursts of energy much more quickly than complex carbs because of the quicker rate at which they are digested and absorbed. Simple carbs can lead to spikes in sugar levels and sugar heights, while complex carbs provide more sustained energy.